The Hive Active Heating and Hot Water Kit easily connects you with your heating system for simple control via your smartphone, tablet or laptop. Reduce energy usage and bills by up to £130 a year by monitoring where energy is used. You'll never have to heat an empty home, so you can enjoy the ideal heat all year round. The Hive app allows you to easily adjust the heating even when you're away from home. Stop your heating from turning on if you're not coming home, or switch it on if you're coming home early. Enjoy remote access wherever you are and avoid wasting energy. Control heating schedules by adjusting the settings on the Hive app. Getting your home to the perfect temperature is easy and can all be done from the palm of your hand. You'll never needlessly heat an empty home again with the Hive Active Heating and Hot Water Kit.